all know? Yeah. Then August 15. Every year on August 15 we celebrate Independence Day. Previously India was under the rule of British. It is another country, Britain. The people from there came to our country, they made us slaves and they were ruling us. They were telling us what to do, how should we live, what crops should we grow, where should we sell them, what amount of money they will give us and all. They are looking us very low, like a slave. So, we are not satisfied with that. So, what happened? Many freedom fighters like Subhash Chandra Bose, Jhansi Lakshmi Bai, Gandhiji, Bhagat Singh, all of these freedom fighters and all the people in India, each and every person in India who was there at that time, they all fought against the British. And then we got our independence on 1947, August 15. Okay? From then on every August 15, we celebrate Independence Day. We hoist the flag on that day and we sing our national anthem. What is our national anthem? Janaganamana, right? What is our national anthem? Very good. We sing our national anthem and we honor our freedom fighters on that day. Okay, Independence Day is a celebration of national celebration of unity. Okay, we show all the world. We are one with respect to our differences in caste, religion and economic status. We are all one. One